In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating artwork for the 24 and 48 battery rental kiosk. When you first open the artwork template, you'll notice an example of how the artwork is put together, as well as example artwork for the backdrop and bottom overlay image. In the Your Artwork area, go ahead and begin creating your own artwork. Once you're happy with your artwork, go ahead and turn off the example, the avoid this, and the notes layers. From here, you can save your file to keep the progress. Then, File, Export, and hit Export for Screens. Here, you'll select the artboards that you just set up. Now, you'll have those two images exported, and you can upload them to your kiosk. Once you're logged into your kiosk dashboard, locate the kiosk you wish to update. Click Device Manager. Here, you'll upload the files for the background video slides, as well as the bottom overlay image. Once you're done, hit Submit.